Action verbs. Mash. Make soft by pressing. Mash the potatoes smoothly. Mash the bananas for baking. Knead. Press and fold dough. Knead the dough until soft. Knead it properly so the bread turns out fluffy. Roll. Flatten using a rolling pin. Roll the dough evenly. Roll thin for even cooking. Measure. Find the exact quantity. Measure 1 cup of flour. Measure the sugar correctly. Serve. Present food to eat. Please serve the food now. Serve the meal while it is still hot. Store. Keep food for later use. Store leftovers in the fridge. Store dry items properly. Marinate. To soak food in spices or sauce. Marinate the chicken for 2 hours. Marinate vegetables before grilling. Squeeze. Press to get liquid out. Squeeze the lemon into the bowl. Squeeze the juice from the oranges. Spread. Put food evenly over a surface. Spread the batter evenly on the pan. Spread butter on the bread. Strain. Separate liquid from solid using a strainer. Strain the tea before serving. Strain the pasta to remove water. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.